Hi everybody and welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be making a cake stand. Now this mould was kindly sent to me by one of my subscribers, Laurie. Hi Laurie, thank you for the mould. So I'm going to be doing that today on the theme of Candyland. Now my granddaughter is 3 in May and she's having a Candyland theme birthday party, and Intoresin kindly sent me these dreamy candy glitters, and 16 in them. I will link them along with a 20% discount code from Intoresin too. So I'm going to be making the 3 tiers. So this is the bottom, this is the middle, and this is the top, and they come with a handles and like legs for in between. But on top I'm not going to put this, I'm going to make what I forgot, it's called unicorn. So that's just going to be like covered in glitter, just glitter inside, nothing else. That's all she wants, and that will stand on top of the cake stand like that there, so she'll be able to lift it up with that. And I will use Resin's UV bonding kit to stick that to their cut, and takes 5 seconds to glue. So what I'm going to do, bob you on pause, mix up some resin. I'm going to be using the 1 coat resin from Apex, and that's their fast cure resin, which cures in 2 hours, which is fantastic for these two. So I'm going to mix up about 600 mils of resin. That should be enough to do all 3 of these trays, and I can get it done then all in one. So I will see you when we get back and we can get on with making this tray. See you shortly. Right, so I'm back and I've mixed up 600 mils. That's just off to one side, debubbling, and I need to get a move on so it doesn't flash cure in the cup. Sorry for the noise. So I've got yellow, blue, orange, might go for that vibrant pink, and purple. So we're just going to have 6 colours. I'm just going to top these up with resin. That's a bit hard to pour out of that. Let's see if I can get a smaller cup. Just 1 second. I'm just putting it into another cup so it's easier to decant out of. Okay. So I'm going to time lapse you from here, just while I mix the glitters into the resin, because it's going to take quite a bit doing this. So I'll see you at the other side of the time lapse.
Colors sparkling everywhere. In the mix they twist and turn. Watch the resin brightly burn. Sweetest dreams we make tonight. Oh, under rainbows, pure delight. Epoxy flows, it glows so bright. Candyland, we're taking flight. Oh, glitter, glitter everywhere. Mix it up, no time to spare. Candy colors shining true, glowing bright, just me and you. Rainbow sparkles, shake it down. Glitz and glam all through the town. Resin molds, they hold our fire. Candyland, our heart's desire. Rainbow sparkles, shake it down. Glitz and glam all through the town. Resin molds, they hold our fire. Candyland, our heart's desire. Epoxy rivers flowing free.
Right, so that's the colours mixed. I need to get a move on. So we're just going to do the big one first. Let's move these to one side, just so I've got enough room. I'm just going to go in stripes. Just like that. So I'm going to time lapse the next two because you don't need to see me do it all in one sitting. 1 second. Right, let's just push this over to one side. Let's get the next one.
Shine so bright, candy glitter feels just right. Epoxy magic makes it good. Spin it round just like we should. Cakes and glowing, oh so fine.
Right guys, so just gonna leave it at that, and I'm gonna let them cure. Once they're cured, I'll come back and we can get putting the mould together, melt the mould, the product together. So I'll get back with you later. Bye. Right, I'm back and these are all now cured, so we're gonna get them all demolded. And that's what they look like. I did offer to cover them in white at the back, but she just said no, she wants them clear. So that's fair enough. It's not till May anyway. What's that one? And then this one's just come off the heat mat. So it is a little soft, it will harden up. They're really nice, I like them glitters. Nice, aren't they? Different. And that's that one. So, I did make a unicorn. I just poured the glitter in. But she asked my opinion and I wasn't keen, so she just said go for the gold, so I just said okay. Get one of them on there. Then I want the middle one. And then just screw that up. And then the top one. Oops. It's not straight, I don't know why. Ah, that's right, because that bottom one needs, I need a screwdriver. Just bear with me a second, guys. Let's see what it looks like. But how pretty is that for a 2-year-old's birthday? Look at the sparkle. But yeah, what do you think down in the comments, guys? Let me know. What do you think down in the comments? What do you think, guys? Let me know down in the comments what you think. But it is all straight, it's better. It is a bit wobbly, but I've not tightened that last one because this is not fully cured yet, so I'm going to undo it all now. Anyway, guys, so please like, comment and subscribe if you've not already done so. That would help my channel out so much. And I shall see you on Wednesday's upload. Goodbye, thanks for watching.